Hi guys, today we learn how to download R and R Studio. Then after downloading we learn how to install R and R Studio properly. So before downloading the software, please check your internet connection. Open any internet browser. So I am using Chrome. Here you just simply type R Studio and press enter. This kind of interface will be seen, and here the link www.rstudio will open, but we skip this and we click this link. Yes, a new page will be open. It's look like this, and we scroll down. Here it is. This is the single link from where you can download R and R Studio. Okay, so first of all I would like to download R, then R Studio. If you click it, a new page will be open. This one again, a new page will be open. Yeah, it look like this. Here you can see all the detailed information about R. To install R for the first time, this is the link. As soon as I click, a new page appeared. I already told you I am Windows user, so I am using this link to download R. Yes, just simply single click and it will be started downloading. Okay, you can see it here, but I have already downloaded it, so I am cancelling it. Now I go back to the previous page to download R Studio. So just simply click within a single click and it is started downloading, and it is being downloaded. You can see it here. It takes time based on your internet connection. Again, I am cancelling it because I have already downloaded it earlier. Always remember, first we will install R, then R Studio desktop. Otherwise you might get some issue. Okay, let's start. Just simply double click, or a pop-up window will open. Click on run button, click OK. Next, we do not interfere with the default settings. We just simply click next. Yes, it is installing now. Now simply finish, click. Now it's time to install R Studio. Just double click, a new pop-up window will open. Simply click next, next, install. Yeah, now finished. We go to the search box and type here R Studio, yes, and simply open it. You can see a 4 window. This is called script, and this one is console, and this box having 4 other options. There is environment, histories, connections. And in the new version, uh, there is one more option you can find here, that is tutorial. You can see from basic to advanced. If you scroll down, you can see all the detail what kind of tutorial are available here. In the next video, we'll try to explore this. This is the plot where you can see all the executed graphic plots, and this is the package where you can see all the installed package. And if you wish to install any package, then from here you can see or you can install it. This is the help box. Whatever help you need, you can go for it. And this one is the viewer.